In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit TikTok dance videos inside CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up CapCut. From here, we can continue with an old project or create a new project. For this video demonstration, I am going to click on New Project. I'm going to choose my dance video, which is here. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on Add. And now to edit this video for TikTok, what we need to do is click on the video, and now at the bottom of the page here, scroll across, and then we need to look for camera tracking. Go ahead and click on camera tracking, then click on camera tracking again, and now say select tracking object. So we can do face, body, hands, custom, but we want to do the body for this video. So go ahead and click on body, and it is a pro version inside CapCut. So if you want to go ahead and get CapCut Pro, if you don't, I've got a 7-day free trial link in the description if you want to use that. So go ahead and click on track and just give that a few moments to track. All right, once that is completed, we need to do some adjustments. So where it says rotate, we want to move this slider to the left to about 19 or 20. I'm going to keep it on 19 to 20. You want to enable fit canvas, so go ahead and click on fit canvas. Keep body size, keep that off, and blur canvas, keep that on. And now once you've done that, click the tick button and then go ahead and export the video. If you want better quality, just click on the quality next to it. So mine's set 720. I'm going to set this for 2K. So it restores your video to ultra high definition but uses more memory. And now I'm going to click export. So this is going to export it to my camera roll inside my phone. So I'm going to let it do its thing, and then I'll show you the end result of this edit. Alright, so this is the end result of the edit. So